not be tied. A rainbow. We're gonna make a leprechaun trap. They have to give you 3 wishes. Let's go. Oatmeal container, stickers, tissue paper, construction paper, glue, glitter glue, sticks, paintbrushes, and paint. We're gonna paint this green because leprechauns like green. Well, this dry, just make a rainbow. Put the glue on the red. Need this yellow. That is looking beautiful. Now we're gonna put on the clouds. The clouds are gonna be used with cotton. To make a ladder, you need 2 long sticks and a bunch of glue. This is how the leprechaun can climb inside. Now that this is dry, it's decorated. Squeeze like this. Take the tissue paper and put it on top. You're gonna crawl through to the bottom. Yeah. The leprechaun will love it if I put it on here. Oh no! Let's make the sign. Leprechaun. Oh, leprechaun lounge. Take your sign to your trap. Set it up with the ladder. The leprechaun's gonna come up here and get the gold. And the leprechaun's gonna see that it says Leprechaun Lounge, and he's gonna climb up the ladder and see if there's gold. The leprechaun's really gonna like this.
What happened? It spilled? Harper, did you catch one? What did he leave? Harper, what did that leprechaun leave you?
Chocolate coins!
Wow, so I think you did a pretty good leprechaun trap.
Set this aside and let it dry. Leprechauns like gold. Uh-oh. I didn't the water. And then put more water on it.
It's glue.
Oh, I'm silly. Uh-oh. Now we're making a small rainbow. That's too hard. Make a ladder so the leprechaun climbs in the crack.